Hey, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskaram, my name is Nikhil.
Namaskaram everyone, I'm Bani and I welcome you all to the Solid TV.
Esanamte.
Esanamte, the 4-year-old girl?
Yes. Is she still 4-year-old? I do not know. I mean, she might be 5. It's been just a month or 2 months that we did a review on her beautiful delivery on Maa Tujhe Salam. That was a tremendous hit across the globe. It was not in India, it was globally. And our review, we started a channel at that time, and we gained popularity because of her and her fans, and we became a fan of her.
Yes. Big fan of her. And Nikhil, do you know one thing I would like to share? Our reaction on that song by Maa Tujhe Salam by Esanamte almost crossed 4 lakh views.
Okay, I'm not into statistics, guys. I do not watch statistics. I mean, I just make videos and upload it.
I'm the manager.
I do not see how things are working out on that end. It's her department. But the beautiful 4-year-old girl is back with a new song.
The greatest gift of all.
Featuring
her uncle, R. Lal Ramachandra.
It's really?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's basically a Christmas song, basically for the Christmas.
Okay, Christmas Eve is around here, it's almost touching December. I mean, the song is released yesterday and her channel grew up very good. And if you first time watching her and you do not know who Esanamte is, I'm gonna leave a I'm gonna leave the link in the description about her channel and where it is. Go subscribe her, have a look at the video. She just stormed YouTube. So it's a tremendous request, guys. Humble request. Go watch her on the YouTube official channel. And we thought of doing another video on her.
Yes.
So without wasting any time, jumping into the video.
Yes. Esanamte featuring R. Ramachandra, the greatest gift of all. Little Santa. Oh.
Dawn is slowly breaking. Our friends have all gone home. You and I are waiting for Santa Claus to come. There's a present by the tree, stockings on the wall. Knowing you're in love with me is the greatest gift of all.
The fire is slowly fading. Chill is in the air. All the gifts are waiting
the greatest gift of all. He's all that goodwill to man is the greatest gift of all.
Greatest hit of all. That's an anthem featuring.
Oh,
How was it?
a beautiful song.
I mean, she's love. She's love.
She's pure
Much love. Much
love.
love to the girl.
Yes, and Merry Christmas, Esther.
Merry Christmas to all the people
All,
in the Northeast,
yes.
all the people celebrating Christmas, all the entire human race.
Yes.
Merry Christmas and
Merry
Happy New Year,
Christmas.
guys.
Yes.
I'm not sure if you're gonna watch us till the end, but we thought of like wishing it right now so that you do not miss the wishes. First of all, I loved the way she
Okay.
featured someone.
Okay.
Okay, there are three things on the technical grounds I'm going to talk about. First, she gained good momentum on the Maa Tujhe Salam because she
Yes.
touched the
Entire
very,
nation, I would say.
the
with that
entire
song.
nation. Now there is like lot of talent hidden in Northeast, and she featured her uncle.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not sure whether it's her uncle or not.
Yes, I read somewhere.
If I mean,
If
yes,
you're right,
obviously
just
it's
let
like
us
I do not know someone and he's elder to me, so they call me uncle, so it's fine. But the person singing, what was his name?
R. Lal Ramchandra.
Haan. Beautifully sung, sir. If you're watching this, bow down to you. You just touched all chords. There was no notes missed. I was just listening to you. Then I was actually waiting for Esther to sing.
Yes.
Yes. And
And
gladly
then duo, there was when
they split the screen. They split the
and the
screen
duo
and
was
they did the duo.
very nice.
I mean, how many takes they had to take for a 4-year-old? I do not know because it is a tough job.
Yes.
It is a tough job.
Managing a 4-year-old child
It's a tough
very
job. And the way you sang, sir, it was beautiful. Hats off to you. We both, the Delhi couple, bow down to you for this beautiful delivery and beautiful delivery by Sanamte. Much love.
Yes. Okay, now it's time for our game. I'll ask you a few questions. You have to answer me and you have to basically give a rating from 1 to 5. 5
Okay.
being the maximum, 1 being not so bad.
Okay.
So, overall direction of the song.
Very candidly shot, I'll give around 4 out of 5.
Okay. The singers. Both.
Okay. I'll be honest on that part. I'll give 5 to the sir who was singing.
Yes.
R. Lal
Lal Ramchandra.
Ramachandran. Beautifully sung, and it is a doorway. I said just open that doorway from Northeast to the social world where there is no possibilities. So welcome to the world, and this is the first time I'm hearing you. If you have another songs, we both want to review that. And Sanamte, I couldn't hear her pronunciation like very clear.
Because
She's
it's
for-
not her.
I mean,
it's
it is
not
a
her
glimpse.
language basically. She doesn't know Hindi also, and maybe she doesn't know English also.
Okay.
And it's very tough
I'll
for
give her
a
4
4-year-old.
because of
you
love,
have to give
I'll
her
be
10.
So she's
I'll
love.
cut this and I'll give you 10.
She's love. But I am fan of that person who was singing it.
Okay.
So kudos to the talent hidden in Northeast. Guys, you need to bring it on the air. You need to bring it on the air so
And
that
like
we
to
guys
hear
can
more.
watch it. Yeah.
Yes.
So I mean, if you guys look at it, Bollywood used to be the mainstream,
Yes.
the main thing.
Earlier, yes, in earlier times.
Used to be, that's what I said. Like in 2019, before the lockdown, when people started using YouTube as really the vibe, it's vanished. I mean, look at any Bollywood movie that is working fine. I mean, you need to bring up content if they want to
They
survive.
need to work very hard. Very hard.
They need to
because-
work now because they were not working at shit out of it. I'll be honest on that part. Now look at that, what this guy sung on other people who was using autotune to sing themselves and gaining views because they come from very affluent families. No, you need to bring content, and that's what Northeast people are doing. Bringing content, that is it.
I think all
Keep
over
on bringing,
people
guys.
from all over India are doing the same thing.
Exactly.
Yes,
But
we are
you know-
getting a very good content from South India. We're getting a very good content from North
Punjab
East
side
also,
as well.
From Punjab also, even Central India also. They're coming up with good rap battles also, like
Yes,
rap songs
yes.
also.
So guys, do let us know
Yes.
what is cooking in the Northeast that we guys are not aware of, so that we guys can give a review
Yes.
and shed us a limelight so that the people around us in Delhi or maybe in the metropolitan cities can have a look that this is something hidden that is being aired on YouTube. And if you have liked our reaction, do hit the like button and please show us love by dropping your comments like how did you guys perform on this beautiful princess S. Anante featuring L. Ramachandra. I'm bad with names. And you know what? In the last video, you guys corrected us a lot of time. I pronounced the name badly.
Yes, you pronounced
So
it badly.
I apologize.
And
I sincerely apologize.
We're really
guys.
sorry, Esther, for that.
We've been married for 3 years now. Yeah.
No.
And I cannot pronounce her name.
No. We've not completed 3 years.
Seriously?
Yes. We would be completing in 2021.
I'll try to cut this off.
And I'll try to cut him off.
Alright guys, if you have liked our reaction, do hit the like button and drop your comments in the comment section.
Yes, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and then the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.
This is me, Nikhil, signing off.
This is me, Bani, signing off.
Adios.